On this video, I'm going to show you a digital product that's making over $12,000 per month. And I'm even going to show you exactly how to produce it really quickly. Now, guys, my name's AJ. I do all things digital products, selling on Etsy, AI, print on demand sometimes, and all of that good stuff. I've got over 850 videos dedicated just for you to help you also make money online. So if you're interested in any of that, remember, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Now, listen, let's check this really cool listing out. So let's have a look at this. Now, I'm on this fantastic listing. It's a bestseller bomb. You can see up there. It's got 20 plus views in the last 24 hours. It's actually on a sale right now. And it is a real estate bundle of social media, Instagram in particular, templates. Now, I've sometimes said that, templates are really difficult to get into, really hard. And yes, they can be. But what this seller is really smart in doing is they've got into a sub niche. And I always say, guys, just remember that AJ told you this, that you have to sub niche. So whatever it is, whatever type of digital product or print on demand, whatever it is you're trying to sell, you have to get into a sub niche. So what I mean by that is, for those of you that don't know, is that if you're going into social media posts, for example, in this case, Instagram, reels and posts, and you want to get into that, go into a sub niche that has less competition. So in this case, they're going into real estate. It might be social media, Instagram reels for builders. It might be for teachers. It might be for people that love fishing. You won't know until you actually do your research and find out what is low competition and what has high demand. And obviously you will do that through your research. Obviously I use Everbee, my go-to research SEO. You can check out the link below. That will help you actually inform you what actually you can get into as a newbie. Now, let's look at this. This is a really nice listing, and I'll tell you what is actually really pushing this up as well. So let's go into the numbers first of all. Let's analyze the listing through Everbee. Remember, you can check out the link below to try out for free. But look, this is making $12,360. It's only a 10-month-old listing, by the way. That's not an old listing. And obviously the price is $120. It's on a sale right now. But what you'll see is you get some more information if you go at the bottom right here. So the last month you got 12,360 as revenue. And if I go to all time, it's made over, well, around $42,000, right? That is a massive growth rate of 10,300%. And it's only a 10-month-old listing. That's really good, guys. And I'll tell you why this is doing so well. Remember, I'm going to show you how to produce this also, or something like these kind of reels. But check this out. Look, let's just understand really how it works. Is if you go to some of the tags. Now, the tags are those keywords that the seller is using to hopefully get people to find the listing, right? So we use something called tags, or these keyword tags, and you can tell from the tags that are being used that the seller has found some really cool low competition keywords. So let's have a look. I'll just sort of give you a little sort of lesson into this. So on this side, you see these tags, right? These are tags used. So the seller has used a bunch of tags to help it be found on Etsy by potential customers. And what you have is you have volume here. So the volume is the amount of people that are searching for it on a monthly basis. And on the right here, you can see the competition, right? So for example, people that type in real estate story that want to find these, there's a volume of 163 people per month searching for this exact term, and the competition is only 3,209, which is pretty good. So they've managed to find some good competition, and you can see that you've got the keyword score, which means that the higher the keyword score, the better, right? So they've got good keyword scores through their tags. Look, really high keyword score here. That's crazy. That is absolutely phenomenal. Keyword score of 7,130. That's mad. So that is how they're getting found, and that is how they're making sales, guys, by being in a low competition niche. So this is telling me that maybe the real estate, selling to people that want real estate templates is a good idea, right? And that's how you do it. Aside from that, looking at the mock-ups and the designs, really nice designs that they're selling. But also the thing that is really pushing this up as well is this is a bundle of 56,000 sort of reels and posts. That's massive. Now, yes, that is big and people do want value. So, not all of them will sell this many, but this is why also this is selling so well, because people love huge bundles. It's just the way it is, guys. So when you do sell digital products, especially, do think of bundles. Maybe not this amount. It doesn't have to be this much. I mean, for example, clip arts can have a bundle of 30, but do your research, find out what the competition is doing. But look, they're selling Canva templates, and I'm going to jump onto Canva and show you how you can produce these. So remember, guys, you can also do quite well as long as the competition is low. All right. So yeah, let's jump onto Canva and I'll show you how to do this real quickly. Okay, so if you want to obviously go back, like I said, you can be very specific with what you want. I've just said Instagram Reels. Obviously, you can say posts then, but my advice is to have a sort of certain style. I mean, I would say having certain colors, within the bundle, maybe certain font styles, because they kind of tend to do really well. You got these really cool, designs. So, if say, for example, you've gone for let me just click this one because I like this. It's similar to the sort of real design. If you've gone for those kind of beige or light, really cool minimalist tones, then you want to have all your templates in a similar style. So what I would do is I would customize it, so at least it becomes your design once you've customized it, and then have a folder, on your laptop, and just start to save designs in there. So for example, you might have quite a few different posts where if I go to customize really quickly, for example, so I've gone into this design, and like I said, any part of it you can change, whether it be from the writing, you can adapt all the writing, you can change the image, you can change. I mean, look, you got the image in the background, you got the layers there, and they're not hard to do because you got everything that you need on the side. You got elements here, for example, so you can say lifestyle minimalist room, right? And like I said, look, I mean, I'm gonna just replace this image. Where is it gone? Hey, don't just disappear on me like that. That's crazy. So delete that room, and then I'm just gonna go and get another one, right? Lifestyle minimalist room. Okay, there you go. So I got all the photos, right? And I can just grab one. Look, I've just got another different type of minimalist room. So you can do it all in Canva, really. I mean, what's good is you got the template, and then you just need to really just change the different parts. You can just sort of adapt and change a bit. Let me push this back. Layer, where am I going to put that layer? Come on, layer, send backwards. Okay, so look, I mean, just give you an example. I just changed the room to a different kind of room. So I'm literally making it my own kind of template. And then once you do that, you can start creating. And I do advise is if you're going to get into something like this, even though it's low competition, you do need to make sure that you get a bundle, because that's where value is, and that's where people would actually have a reason to buy. Because don't forget, the competition is still there, right? Even though it's lower competition, there is still competition, and people are in this particular niche selling bundles. So you obviously give people the access to the link where they can also change it up a bit. And what I mean by change it up is, when you got things like here, like the name of the real estate, they most likely want to change something like this, where they'll change it to the name of their own agency. That's the bit, there are parts of it that they might want to change slightly, which they will want to change, obviously. The rest of it they might like. That's the reason why they bought it, with these cool bits of writing. You can do lots of these different templates. You could do like 100 of these, creating the room images, maybe slightly different writing, and all of these can be like part of the posts that you're selling to the customer. So it does require a little bit of time. It does require you to be patient and create these. But remember, when you have the finished article and you've got your bundle ready and it's all done and you're selling this at, and look at the price that they're selling it, and this is just one listing. It's possible to do if you have a beautiful product, a product that people want, you've got really nice templates and you have a bundle of them, then you can do well, especially if it's in a low competition niche. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm going to leave it there. Remember, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.